Today we are going to make smoked fish dip. I've got some vermilion that I caught the other day, and we caught a bunch of snapper and a bunch of vermilion, and so I just put some Old Bay seasoning on it and popped it in here in the little Ninja Woodfire Oven, and I've got it set at 180 degrees, and I put it for an hour. It's obviously not going to take that long. It's been going for 18 minutes right now, so we're going to see how long this takes to get done, and then I'll show you how to put this together and make a delicious fish dip with this. Look how much smoke you get in here. This thing just has this little hopper on the side for wood pellets. It's sort of a new toy for me, so I'm having a lot of fun with this thing, but we're going to make some good fish dip today. Okay, we've been going for 30 minutes. Almost. In 15 seconds will be exactly 30 minutes. We're cooking at 180 degrees. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get a temperature reading on these little vermilion fillets, but let's stick this in here. One 16. I would say if I was gonna just eat these fillets, I would call that done. But since we're gonna make dip with these, I'm gonna let them go a little extra. It's kind of windy today, and so the smoke from my hopper has already burned up. It just finished. It took exactly 30 minutes for my smoke to burn up in here. So I don't know if I'm gonna add more smoke or not. I'm gonna think about that, but I'm gonna let them go for a little bit longer. And they can be, you can't really get too tough when you're making the fish dip, because I'm going to shred it up. So I'm going to let it go a little bit longer, and we'll see how this turns out. Okay, it's been about 45 minutes. We're right at 15 minutes left on the timer. I started it at an hour. The fish, I tried to use my little instant read thermometer, and it's not going really over 115. I can see the fish getting a little drier, which is what I want to do. I want it to dry out a little bit for the fish dip. And I decided to just do the one round of smoke, because this thing gets a pretty good smoke flavor into the meats that I've been cooking. This is the first time I've done fish in here. So I'm going to take this out, and we're going to go let it rest and cool down, and then I'll show you how to put together the fish dip recipe. Okay, here's the fish. They've been resting for about 10-15 minutes. A little longer than they should have, because there was some big huge fish jumping out on the lake I had to go try to catch, but I was unsuccessful. So anyway, here's what we're going to put in there. We're going to put some mayo, we're going to put some sour cream, we're going to put some cream cheese, we're going to put some lime juice, we're going to put some slap your mama, we're going to put some lemon pepper, lots of dill, and I already put Old Bay on the fish to season them before I smoked them. So we'll see if we put any more on there or not. I haven't decided yet. Okay, I put about half of a, what is this thing called? A log of cream cheese? I don't know what that's called, a stick, a package. And I'm gonna do about a big old slather of this. There's no science to this. You just kind of have to feel what it's gonna be, and then you can add and subtract as you go. This is hard to do with one hand. We're going to put about 2 big old scoops of mayo in there. And I'm going to put 2 pieces of fish in there, and then I'll season it with this, and then we'll see how it looks. I used all the fish, and I haven't put the seasoning in there yet, but I just thought, look at this cute little fish tray. I put a couple pieces of fish and some olives on here, because the wife's out there reading a book on the dock. So it's not that hard to be a good husband. I'm going to take her a little snack, and I'm going to come back and finish this up. I brought you a snack.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Maybe you can put it over here.
Okay, see you later.
Okay, bye.
Okay, back to business. Some lime, some slap your mama, some lemon pepper, and a bunch of dill. Stir. Okay, there you have it. This looks beautiful on my little fish plate. So that was really easy. I could have probably cooked it a lot faster if I would have cooked it at a higher temperature than 180. I just wanted to cook it a little bit slower. This is the first time I've done it in the Ninja Woodfire Grill. And I'm posting this video on my How to Beach channel because this is fish that we caught. We talk about fishing and beach things here on the How to Beach channel. But I'm actually considering making a whole channel just about the wood-fired grill recipes that I've been doing. I've had this thing for like 2 weeks and I've already made ribs, I've made turkey legs. What else have I made in there? I'm making hanger steak for dinner tonight, and I'm gonna smoke some cube steak kind of stuff to put in chili for tomorrow. So if you're interested in a whole Ninja Wood-Fired Oven channel, let me know and I'll make some more. I might split this off on its own channel. I put a little bit of fresh cilantro and fresh jalapeno on top of this. I actually haven't tried it yet. Sometimes I make it too salty. I don't think I did today. Oh, that's good. The smoke flavor is good. The fish is good. Yeah, that's really good. I actually invented this recipe when I lived in Montana, and we used to go steelhead fishing in Idaho every year. And I come back with these big, huge steelhead, and we take them to a game processing place, and they would smoke the fish for us. So I've used this with steelhead, and since living here in Florida, usually when I get king mackerel, I would smoke the king mackerel on the Weber. But this, I think this is way faster and easier to do. So this is, you can do this with any kind of fish. You could do this with salmon, any kind of fish you could do this with. This is a great fish dip recipe. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments if you're interested, if you just want to see more fish recipes on the How to Beach channel, or if you're interested in me spinning off a new channel, because I'll do it. Don't dare me, I'll do it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.